Hey, it's Jim, and if you have been anywhere in the DIY hair community, by now you've seen the miracle knots on your FYP. And it's not even that it's a new style, but it's just a miracle for people who have trouble with doing their own boho knotless box braids, like myself actually. So guess what? Here I am. Anyway, I got my human crochet hair from Amazon. This is the Burmese curly feather crochet. It said 22 inches, but I have to say I don't think it was 22 inches. I ordered 2 packs of hair. It was the 120 grams. It was 100 strands. The hair did not have a bad smell. It just smelled like hair that you get from the hair store. It was very beautiful. It was bouncy. It was curly. It was soft. It doesn't tangle easily. I washed it first with the apple cider vinegar and Dawn dish soap mix just to get any harsh chemicals off of the hair. Then I went in with shampoo, washed it with that, rinsed it out real good, and then I conditioned it, brushed it, and then I dipped it in some water with conditioner in it. Let that soak for about 15-20 minutes. Then I took it out and brushed it again and hung it up to dry. For me, when I do any type of box braids or anything similar, I pre-section my hair with rubber bands instead of pre-braiding, because I'm not braiding until I'm braiding. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do both methods, and I say this because some people may not be able to feed in hair, but if you can only do crochet, this is the section for you. I use baskin leather edge control just to hold the hair together since it's bigger sections. So I did one braid the way that everyone else is doing it, where you braid the hair all the way down and then you just take the crochet hook and add in whichever pieces that you're adding to the base of the braid, the middle of the braid, and then to the end of the braid, and then braid it down. So the feed-in method is the method I actually did for the rest of my head, where I start my braid with one piece of hair. Because that string is a little long, I started at the very first turn of the braid. That way that string can get braided into the braid. 1, it kind of holds my hair together so it doesn't unravel. 2, it makes the string less visible on the part of the hair that's hanging down. And then I would pull the curls out and sit them to the side while I continue to braid. What I did like about the feed-in method is the fact that I could pull one leg of the curly hair out and then braid down a little further and then pull the other leg out, so it's kind of staggered instead of both pieces just hanging right next to each other. So I did like that look. So since I had 33 braids and I had 3 strands on each braid, I had 1 left over to make up that 100. What I did was put that last piece of hair in the back middle braid because I didn't want 1 piece of hair just left over. So I just put it somewhere. When the braids are finished, this is how they look. These are fluffed out, of course, because the hair had been separated. Even though it's full, it's really pretty. I added mousse to the top of my head and wrapped it so that the bases of my braids would kind of settle and not be frizzy. After I wrapped my hair, I sprayed it with warm water just to wet the hair, and then I also saturated with mousse, brushed it, and then I pulled it into 2 braids and pulled those 2 braids into a bun. Okay, this is how it looks after I've taken it down. It's been wrapped up for maybe about 2 hours. I also hit the front with the blow dryer just to kind of set the mousse a little bit because I was being impatient. But here are the braids. I really love how they turned out. They're so versatile. There's so many different ways you can style it, and I am excited for my new favorite hairstyle. This will be my go-to from now on. It was so much quicker than the other styles for me doing my own hair. The human hair was definitely worth the investment because 1, it's so lightweight. I don't even feel like I have box braids in my head. I can pull it up in a ponytail without tension. Also, you can wash it, you can take it out, reuse it. I love that. It's so worth it. So I definitely recommend for anyone who wants this style, get it. That's all for now. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.